So this is Farmors DIY first YouTube video. And the reason I'm doing it is, as an older woman, it's difficult to watch the YouTubes and I see men's hands in the way and I can't always see exactly how to do certain things. So I thought, okay, I'm going to do one for women. So the first one has to do with my toilet and the chirping toilet. So I hope you enjoy it. Okay, so this is my DIY video because my toilet was making this funny noise. It was like a chirp and it drove me crazy. So finally, I thought it was something in the pipe, but it's the fill valve. Somebody had mentioned, check that. And before I put a brand new fill valve, I read the cheapest way is put a new washer. So let me show you how you do that.
If you like this video, give a big thumbs up and subscribe to Susan's channel.
So I need to first turn off the water supply. So you know down here, the valve, can you see that? I'm going to turn it to the right clockwise, and that turns the water off. So now, if you bring the video over here.
Don't say that every time.
Let's bring this, this fill valve, we have to take the top off. So we're going to flush, get the water out of the tank. Okay, so now lift up this little handle right here and let's twist it counterclockwise. And by doing that, it's going to bring you, this cover comes off. And this is the washer. Let me just get this over here to try to pull it out. Of course, I don't have nails. Anybody else could do it and it would not be a big deal. So this is the washer that you can buy for $3 at Home Depot. And that's the only thing that it really needed. So you buy the washer and then you put it back in. And you want to put it so that that end is up on that little thing. And it should fit right back perfectly like that. So before we start, we want to also wash this out, flush it out. So I need to put a cup to cover it. Turn the water back on. And that's going to get any sediment out. And that also helped it. Sometimes when you change filters, that is where the problem comes from. So now, since we have the new washer in, we're going to put it back on. And this time we're going to go clockwise. So let's see. There we go, clockwise. So it's on. So now let's turn the water back on. So let's go to the left. Go slowly to make sure that it doesn't leak anywhere. And I have a towel on the floor.
That's really what it feels.
And let it fill. And you put this back on the top. Clean up any water you've splashed anywhere, which by mistake I forgot to turn something off. And as soon as it's done, we'll flush it and see if there's no chirp. Okay, here we go. Okay.
Hope you like this video. Keep on watching Susan's video if you like this video. Smash that like button now.